Hey high levelers, it's Andrew. We're back talking about Agent Studio, and today I will show you how you can create folders and organize all of your agents right in one place using HighLevel. Let me show you how. So inside of Agent Studio, which we can get to from AI Agents and then Agent Studio, you can see all of your different agents here. We have three. We have a VIP onboarding agent, our chat support, and our lead qualifier. And we want to put these into folders. So all we have to do is click New Folders at the top right. We can give it a title for, let's say, primary agents, and then we can select our different agents from this list of ungrouped or grouped agents. We'll go ahead and pick our VIP onboarding agent and this chat support agent, and then we can click Save. Now, once we do that, you'll see that now we only see our two agents, and you can see here at the top left, this is our navigations. We can have multiple folders, but none within folders, so no subfolders. And if we click Home, we'll go back to Home where we can see our folder and then our other agent. Now, we can also, of course, sort by in the top left by either agent first. So this will put all of our agents at the top and our folders at the bottom, or we can sort by folder first, which will do the opposite. We can also do text from A to Z. So this will put our entire list, whether it's folders or agents, into alphabetical order. We can also do last updated, and then we can also do created date as the way that we're sorting through our agents. Now, whenever we create a folder, we can always click on the right-hand side, the three dots, and click Edit Details, and this will just change the name and the folder description. And then within the folder, we can also do the same sorting by agents, text, last update, created date, and so on. Now, additionally, we have the ability to do bulk actions. So if we're already inside of a folder, we can click the checkboxes on the left-hand side to select agents, and then click bulk actions on the right and click Move to a different folder if we have another folder that we have, or we can put them back to the root. Then if we're on the home page, we can also do these bulk actions and move our agents as so by clicking Move to Folder, or we can, of course, delete these agents and manage all of them in bulk using bulk actions. We can, of course, also control things like our rows per page here at the bottom, our pages, and then, of course, search for our agents, which will search by name and then pull up the specific agent. So if we want to find them by name, that's a great way to do so. So this was just a quick overview of the UI inside of Agent Studio, how you can use the interface, how you can create folders, and such. We'll have more videos going over Agent Studio in the future, so be sure to check out the rest of the help docs if you want to learn more about Agent Studio. If you have any questions about this feature specifically, feel free to drop a comment on this video. As always, my name is Andrew, and thank you very much for watching.